To easily call your local emergency services from your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, first you have to select your emergency services. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find safety and emergency. Tap safety and emergency. Tap emergency SOS. Tap emergency number to call. And then select the emergency service to call in an emergency. If yours is not listed in the list, you can enter a custom phone number by tapping custom number. Enter the phone number and then tap done button. Tap the back key. Here there are two options available. The first one is whether or not you want your phone to ask you to swipe the call button to call your emergency number. As the example, we will set this option to on. The second one is whether or not you want to send SOS to your emergency contacts. As the example, we will set this option to on. To see how this feature works, lock your phone. While your phone is locked, press the side button 5 times. Based on the setting, you need to swipe the call button to call the emergency service you select and send SOS to your emergency contact. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.